Number 3 is REOLINK 2K Security Camera. The REOLINK 2K Security Camera is a dependable and premium choice, equipped with all the essential features to ensure top-notch security in a business environment. With its seamless switching capability between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands, this camera ensures a stable Wi-Fi connection, enhancing network performance and delivering unparalleled flexibility. With its 2K superior HD resolution of 2560 x 1440, this camera delivers stunningly clear videos that surpass the quality of traditional 1080p cameras. Its expansive 355 degrees pan and 140 degrees tilt feature ensure a wide field of view, providing comprehensive coverage to safeguard your business. This discreet yet powerful security solution is compact, measuring 8.54 x 6.26 x 7.8 inches and weighing a mere 1.03 pounds. This standalone camera operates without the need for a hub, allowing you to store videos securely on a microSD card, supports up to 128 gigabytes, not included. Accessing and playing back videos is made convenient through the REOLINK app/client, providing you with flexibility and control. Receive instant email and push notifications to stay alerted about detected motion, and enjoy the added benefit of options for recording human/vehicle motion during playback. Regarding reliability, advanced features, and easy accessibility, the REOLINK 2K Security Camera stands out as one of the top business choices. And if you like this security camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below.